Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel! We're grocery shopping like grown-ups.
Yeah, because we're gonna have a picnic tomorrow.
Yeah. Audrey has a picnic blanket but not a picnic basket.
And she has a picnic basket but not a picnic blanket.
Not true, but okay.
Oh. What kind of bread do you want?
White. I'm not racist.
Where is it?
Stop.
Where is it? I didn't see it.
Creamy.
Honey Crunch.
That sounds gross. Not sponsored, but we look a little rough because we went swimming.
Yeah, we didn't film any of that though. My face is really red. So we found some clothes to wear tomorrow because we both want to look cute and like don't want to do laundry. But Kelly's getting us a cooler. How much is it?
$4.
Oh.
A little bit more than I thought it'd be, and I feel like it's really freaking big.
It is kind of big. But do they come smaller than that?
No.
Like anywhere, you think?
I don't know. I think we should try to get one at the gas station, and worst case scenario, we just have to take one to lunch.
Yeah.
Bye. I look like a potato.
No, you don't. I look like a tomato. My face is so weird.
Go to tomato to my potato.
Oh, we're best friends.
Anyway, so we're gonna see if we can find a cheaper cooler at Walmart.
Yeah, because the one at Kroger was $4. That's kind of a lot.
It's kind of a lot for something you literally throw away.
Yeah, because we're not going to keep it. Oh gosh. Sorry, this is such a great video. That did not work out. Okay, we're going to go in Walmart now. Okay, we found some. Do you guys see them? Can you see them? We found some, but like, they're not $1. They're like $2.74.
Yeah, and then this one's $5.
But reusable and has a handle.
Yeah, I feel like this is really the best bet.
Yeah, let's get that. Kelly's carrying the bag right now.
Yeah, we tried to carry it together, but watch what happens. It doesn't really work.
No, because we're not the same height. I'm taller.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah. See?
So yeah, we're here. We're following people that gets wherever we're going.
Yeah.
Shotgun said no when I came back last time. I was looking like I lost a friend. There's no use calling 'cause the sky's falling and I'm getting pretty near the edge. Smoke in the room and I'm on the basement. Situation must be right.
We're just getting our picnic started. No, I'm just really incapable of everything with my left hand. Brandon Fest 2019. gonna show you guys this little hair hack. You get all the hair that you want to get, and you put it down here like this, like so.
On here, your face looks so red. It's not that red in person, guys. Ah, turn around. Let me see the back. Oh, that actually looks really cute. That's a good hair hack.
I'm out. Dang it! Try again. I like the same. I do your new thing. Okay. There we go. It's gonna fall. It's hard to know. Okay. Might be a little crooked, but it's rub it in. Yeah. I know. Dang it. It's probably gonna fall over. Look back up. Where's my ball? Right. A live audience today. I always do this every time. I think everybody does. It's definitely going backwards. Oh well. Are they good strawberries? No. If I'm being honest, this one's not very good. Oh, look at this. I'm confused. Oh, it's the lights. I thought it was the sun, and then I looked up and there's not a sun in real life just in the thing, but there's also two suns. I can't wait for you to see this so you know what I'm talking about. Oh, it's so crazy. Yeah, he is. We took his selfies. Yeah. Okay, I love that. That's from we were at a concert. I love America too. Best friends love America. We just got to Audrey's house, so this is gonna wrap tonight's video up.
We hope you guys liked it. That's how I do it. We hope you guys liked this video.
If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos coming soon.
Kelly and I post videos together every Saturday. Kelly posts every Monday, and I post every Wednesday. So 3 videos a week for you guys.
Yep, so make sure you subscribe so you can check all those videos out whenever they come out. And
if you want to follow us on Instagram and Twitter, we'll have our handles. somewhere.
You already know it.
Yeah.
And we hope you guys had a great 4th of July.
Yeah.
What else?
Are they happy?
Alright, thanks again for watching, and
Don't forget to
follow
follow your happy.
See you next time.
Bye. Bye.